Hey there, YouTube family! Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. We're talking about diagnostic tools. Ready to get started? Let's go! Stethoscope. Stethoscope. Thermometer. Thermometer. Blood pressure cuff. Blood pressure cuff. Otoscope. Otoscope. Ophthalmoscope. Ophthalmoscope. ECG machine. ECG machine. Pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter. And that wraps up our exploration of diagnostic tools vocabulary in English. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable.